Today I have a really neat recipe to show you. I like to make French toast from time to time, but I have a recipe that is better, and we're going to make that today. And also, William is here to cook with us. Hi, William.
Hello.
Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. So, it's a usual spray with a cookie sheet, spray good please so don't stick. Now, the mixture, you don't have to remember this. If you just click on the subscribe button, the more button, or go to the website jamestdds.blogspot.com, you'll see the recipe. So here it is. We have some milk, and you can throw that in the refrigerator. I'm using heavy cream. You could use either milk or heavy cream. 2 eggs. The sugar I'm using is a Trivia, so it's good for us diabetics. And some cinnamon. Get it? And then we need a splash of the vanilla. A little splash is good, a big splash is better.
And a pinch of salt.
That looked like a splash, didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have that over there. Pinch of salt. Whisk. With the heavy cream, you can tell, for the eggs. And it smells delicious. Now, you have a cookie sheet. So if you'll hand that cookie sheet over here. And we're using this type of pan because it has high sides. And we haven't made this before, so we weren't sure how much liquid there was going to be, but we did test to make sure that it'll hold the 6 slices of bread. The bread that we're using today is Texas toast. I told William I went all the way to Texas to get this. He didn't believe me. I have this all mixed. Pour that in there. See, it's not very thick, so that's going to work well. I'm going to trade you this, like this, and this can go in the sink too. And then I am going to lay out six slices. We have an oven preheating to 425. We're going to throw them in the oven now. So the oven has beeped. It's at 425. William is going to throw these in. I'm going to set a timer. You want 10 to 15 minutes. So I have it all set for 10 minutes. Then, when it beeps, I'm going to take and put it up on a higher burner, about 5 or 6 inches down from the top, and I'm going to put it on broil for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we'll check it and see what it looks like. And here's William with the question of the day.
Here's the question of the day. If you like toast, give us a thumbs up.
That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right-hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.